this is what we will do today. We will make sure that your luck, actually those who are in reversal, will be transformed and we will be renewing. Transform are for those, number 1, na talagang ang period 8 hindi nyo na-maximize. Despite meron kayo ng mga signs na to, hindi kayo naging okay. Hindi nyo nabili ang bahay na gusto nyo. Wala kayong negosyo ngayon that actually makes money kahit pa-travel-travel ka lang, kahit natutulog ka. If you have these 4 signs, pero despite having it, parang struggling ka ngayon. The best position siguro, you are striving. Diba? Yung sangkahig, 2 tuka. Yung naman pong thriving, diba? Hindi pa kumakahig, tuka na ng tuka. Diba? Yung it's actually served on a silver platter. Yung talaga opportunities really just come. No? Yun ang posisyon na dapat nandun kayo. And the only way to do that is to transcend. Kailangan magtra-transcend tayo. You don't solve problems. You soar over your problems. So this is what transformation is all about.